Last lesson, we saved our project as a template, and I told you a template starts the next one. That was true. It is also the honest moment to show you something better. A template copies the charter text, the words, somebody else's problem statement, somebody else's goal. So the first thing you do with a template is delete another team's writing. The structure was worth keeping. The words never were. That is exactly what a playbook fixes. And it is one of the newest parts of the platform. Playbooks in the sidebar, right between the replication library and templates. And read what it promises. A reusable way of running a project. The tools each phase needs, the gates that must be signed, when milestones fall, and what a good charter field looks like. The content is always yours to write. Even the empty state gives you the reason to care. The fourth project is fast because you aren't reinventing the structure. So let's build one from the project we just finished. A name. Standard first response project. And here's the part that matters. Learn the shape from. Our support tickets project. Read the promise under the form before clicking. Picking a project copies its shape. Which tools each phase used, which gates were signed, how the milestones were spaced. None of its charter text comes with it. Create playbook. And there it is. The phases, the tools per phase, the gate expectations, and not one word of our problem statement. Right now, this playbook is a draft only Alex can see. Publish fixes that. One click, and it belongs to the whole workspace. The next belt starts from the shape of a project that worked, not from a blank page, and never from your words. Now watch it earn its keep. Start. A title. Invoice corrections. First pass. Remember the opportunity register from Chapter 3? Reducing invoice corrections was sitting right there in the queue. A kickoff date. And an objective, in our own words. Cut invoice corrections below 2% and read the form's own promise. The charter starts blank. This playbook supplies the prompts, the milestone dates, and the tool checklist. You write the content. Create project, and look at what we get. A schedule already spaced out from kickoff. The toolkit expectations per phase, and a charter that is completely honestly empty. Templates still work, and the platform is honest about what they were. But this is the recommended path now. Finish a project, keep its shape, publish the shape, and let the next project start at speed. One more stop before we finish the course. What to do when something doesn't work and you need a human. See you there.